Today, Mercedes-AMG has invited us over to check out this really incredible car. This is specially curated by Professor Utonium with his Chemical X. He mixed the C-Class and a little bit of the E-Class and put his Chemical X to create this monster right here. The Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Coupe. The magic concoction is an absolute head-turner. Take a look at these newly styled headlamps. They get really nice blue accent lines when they're turned on and come with digital-like technology. Between the two headlamps is the iconic Pan-American grille with a large Mercedes logo and AMG lettering at the side. Below the main grille is a smaller grille with dynamic air vents which can open and close depending upon the required airflow. The width of this coupe is 2041 mm at the front. Looking up here, you will see a beautifully carved out hood vent. Under the hood, this bad boy gets a 3-liter inline 6 with a twin scroll turbo, making 450 horsepower and 560 Newton meters of torque. This engine comes with a 9-speed AMG speed shift transmission. Moving on, there is also an AMG badge placed over here above the grille. Now the color you see here is the optional graphite grey Magno. It comes with all these special piano black elements. Take a look at these wheels. These are the 20-inch AMG Y-spoke alloys and they'll be standard fitment on this car for India. Peeking in from the behind are the beautiful red calipers. Over the fender here, there is a piano black vent along with the Turbo 4matic Plus badge because this car is propelled by all fours. Not just that, the rear wheels can even steer up to 2.5 degrees for better handling. Moving on to the back, it gets a sloping roofline and these sleek LED tail lamps are connected by a non-illuminated strip. Going lower down, the rear gets a quad exhaust setup. There is a diffuser as well, and here's what they sound like. Before I finish this sentence, this car can do 0 to 100 just because of this AMG badge right here. Now before getting inside the coupe, you will notice frameless doors which house the seat adjustment switches and the subtle ambient lighting all around. There are 17 Burmester speakers in the car. The seats get contrasting black and red treatment. There is this beautiful 3-spoke steering wheel. You will see lots of carbon fiber inside. Turning the car on will bring a smile to your face if you are a tech freak. On the inside, this car gets no dials or meters at all. Everything's a display. Even the steering wheel right here, there's displays here. If you can see, this is the instrument cluster. This is your infotainment screen right here. There's 2 little tiny displays to change the modes. And this is for your traction control and your exhaust. You can also set your suspension from here and multiple other things. It's so cool, right? Looking up, you will see the sunroof controls. Just swiping a finger on it reveals this fairly large sunroof here. Over at the passenger side, there is also use of carbon fiber finish on the dash. Right under the infotainment screen, you can slide this panel back to showcase the cup holders. There are also 2 USB-C ports here, which you can access like so. There is one USB-C port placed here as well. Looking back up, you will notice these stylish squared air vents. They can be turned off and adjusted like this. The infotainment screen runs the MBUX system and can be controlled via the steering wheel. So can the driver's display, which gets AMG's special driver display technology with multiple driving screens. The rear seats look slightly cramped, but they can get the job done. Once you sit and close the door, the seat belt is presented forward for your convenience. The car measures 4941 mm in length and 1435 mm in height. It looks like a great package and is loaded with modern tech like active safety features and 8 airbags. There is also a dynamic suspension system in the car which adapts to the driving mode selection. Overall, the design looks very angry and it's much wider than before. We love the design, and what do you think about it? Do let us know in the comments down below. Subscribe to HT Auto for more.